Hi guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm here today with an incredible masterclass to walk you through a profitable setup on Ethereum, showing you exactly how I made the call and the fantastic results we are seeing now in the middle of this final quarter. Let's look back at our analysis from September 22nd. At that time, ETH was in a major consolidation pattern, and the technical outlook, as we published, was clear. Our medium-term bias was still bullish, but we warned that a further correction is very possible before liftoff. We gave you the crucial line in the sand, the support that bulls absolutely had to defend, stating that bulls need to hold $37.80. Below equals trouble, above equals game still on for ATH attempts later. We even specifically flagged the possible scenario of an extra dip towards $3,700 to $3,800 before the next moon mission, anticipating a final flush of weak hands. Now, look at the charts today. The market executed this setup flawlessly. The price did break down, driving directly into that critical $3,800 zone, which served as the perfect liquidities grab checkmark before the major reversal. From that exact low, if you followed our analysis, you've seen the price surge dramatically, resulting in ETH being up 23+% from this zone mentioned. Fire! This is a masterclass in reading market structure, identifying key support, and understanding where the market needs to collect liquidity before a big move. Now that we've broken out of the consolidation and confirmed the bullish structure, the big question remains. Are we ready to fly toward $5,000 now? I'm already working on the next comprehensive analysis to answer that question, and I'll let you discover it soon. Before I sign off, I want to recommend the exchange I use, BingX. It's a very good, seamless exchange to trade on, whether you're using spot, derivatives, or their excellent copy trading features, making it great for both beginners and experienced traders. Secondly, don't miss out on these crucial updates and join my free Telegram VIP group. You literally do not need to pay anyone for this analysis. It's a community focused on education and discussion of market structure. You can find the link for BingX and our free community on my Linktree. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, it is not financial advice, and we do not provide signals. Please always do your own research as leverage is high risk and past performance does not guarantee future results. Bye, and I'll see you in the next one.